Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today I'd like we can focus on your shoulders. I'm going to use only gravity, the chair and the wall, but if you want to work harder, please use a light set of weights. It can be 1 pound, 2, 3, 5, up to 10 pounds. You decide and you listen to your shoulders. So grab your mat, your chair, and let's get started. So let's do a quick warm up here for your shoulders. So let's rotate your shoulders slowly backwards. Every time you move your shoulders, you bring nutrients to them. And let's go forward. Good. And then we're going to go backwards, nice and slow. Super easy. And then forward. Good. And then we're just going to open our arms here like that. Good. Inhale. Exhale. That's it. So if you bring your abs into your spine, you're not going to move your body as much. Good. And then look what I'm going to do. Very good if you have shoulders injuries. Support yourself, shoulders down. And I want you to let go. Hang your shoulder right here. You're going to do gentle circles one way and the other way. And then I'm going to switch sides. Same thing. So hold on to your other side. Let go your arm. Nice and slow circles. And let's do the opposite way. There we go. And slowly release. Are you ready? Let's start with your shoulders. You're going to open your arms, shoulders down, bring your abs into your spine, open your legs, hip bones apart. And I want you to do little circles. Like I said, I'm using only gravity for today. But if you want to make it harder, use a light set of weights. Good. And reverse the other way. 10, 9, 8, 7. Shoulders are down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.5, 1.25. And slowly release and rotate your shoulders backwards. I'm going to bend over. Every time I bend over, I work my core. Shoulders down and back. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. Abs in. We're going to bring your arms right here, up and down. If you bring your arms too high, you're going to roll your shoulders. So try to avoid that. I just want you to keep your shoulders in the pockets. Inhale, exhale. That's it. And again, if you want to use a light set of weights, please go ahead. Feel the work at the back of your shoulders, but also in your triceps. And again, 6. And I have a surprise for you at the end. 5, 4, 3, and 2. Let's go again. Little pauses. That's your surprise. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Are we feeling something somewhere? 3, 2, and release. Good job. And rotate your shoulders. Open your legs a tiny bit more. I want you to open your palms towards me. That way you're rotating your shoulder a little bit more. So abs are tight. You can even contract your glutes. And we're going to open your arms in a V shape, stop at shoulder height, and slowly come back down. We're going to go up. Inhale to release. Exhale up. So try to control again your movement, because it's easy to do that if you don't contract your abs or even your glutes. Okay, let's go. 10, 9, and again, I'm going to do that little surprise at the end. This one is not that bad because usually we are very strong at the front of the body more than the back. In 4, 3, are you keeping the shoulders down and in the pockets? That's it. 2, and we're going to stay up. Little pauses. Again, try to be very stable from your feet all the way to the top of your head. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Beautiful. And slowly release and rotate your shoulders. I'm going to do triceps. I have the option on the wall, and I'm going to show you in a second, but also the chair. So I'm going to go here against the wall, triceps. You keep your elbows by your side and you go down and push yourself up. So see, I start right here. That's my kind of measurements. And I'm going to go down and up and try to do between 10 and 12 repetitions. Now, right here, I want you to bring the chair against the wall for safety. This one is more advanced. It's not for everybody. And I'm not a fan of this one, even myself. I don't do it often because it just brings the shoulders forward. There's a way of doing it safely. So I want you to keep the shoulders in the pocket, abs are tight. You're going to stay very close to your chair and come back and extend your arms completely. So it's a lot of body weight. Please pace yourself. So if your knees are bent, it's easier. If your legs are long, it's harder. Okay? I'm going to bend my knees. I don't want to injure my shoulders. So you rub the chair. Abs are tight. Down, inhale, exhale, up. So if you go too deep, you're going to roll your shoulders forward. This is exactly what we need to avoid and look straight ahead. Can we go again? 6, 5, I feel it. 4, 3, 2, 1 more. That's it. And slowly release and rotate your shoulders backwards. We're going to repeat a second time all these exercises. Now I'm going to bend over, again, working my core. And I'm going to open my arms in T shape. Ready? Shoulders down, abs tight. Inhale, exhale to open. Inhale, exhale to open. Good. Again, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. And of course, we're going to stay open right here. 10, 9, 8, 7. Shoulders down and relaxed. 5, 4, 3, 2. And release and rotate your shoulders backwards. One more exercise before we repeat them. Option 1, you stay right here and you open to work your shoulders, rotator cuff. Option 2, if you want to work harder, you're going to be inside plank. Right here, you can even put your forearm on the chair against the wall. That way you're not going to slide. Higher, it's easier. And then we're just going to go like that. So you can grab a light weight again and open like that. Ready? Inhale, exhale to open. Look straight ahead. If you want to extend the top leg, go ahead. You can even be on your feet. I'm going to try not stepping on Riley. There we go. Let's go. So many options for you guys. You stay up. You don't need to be here on your mat. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Can we stay open or do little pulses, 45 degrees? Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. And slowly release. Okay, let's switch it up. If you're still up doing that, keep going until you feel the fatigue in your shoulders. Okay, again, choose your option here. You can be again on the chair, on your knees, open. You can extend one leg or on your feet. Let's go. Inhale, exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's stay. 45 degrees, little pulses. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, good job. And slowly release. Beautiful. We're going to go back again. Let's go up. You're welcome to have water. Open your legs, contract your abs and your glutes. Open your arms. I want to see little circles. And again, I open my palms up towards the sky to open more the shoulders. Let's go one way. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and reverse the other way. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, that's it, and release. Rotate your shoulders. The second set, it seems that I feel it a little bit more. Okay, now again, I'm going to hinge from the hips. Abs are tight, and we're going to bring your arm up. Okay, inhale, exhale. Again, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, please, again, keep the shoulders in the pockets. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then I'm going to go in pulses. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Are you breathing? 5, 4, 3, 2, and release, and rotate your shoulders. I'm going to do shoulder flexion, no breaks. You're going to have your break right after. Contract your abs, shoulders. Let's go up in a V shape, slowly down, and again up. I don't feel it, this one, very much because I know I'm way stronger at the front of my body than the back. So grab light weights or grab bottle of water. Okay, up again. Good. In 6. Bring your abs in. You're still working your abs. There we go. In 4. 3. And 2. I'm going to stay up. Little pulses. Again, shoulders in the pockets. Okay, I'm not like that. Rounding my shoulders or upper back. There we go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good. And release and rotate your shoulders. Again, you choose to do your triceps on the wall, or you do it against the chair, against the wall for safety. I'm going to go back here. Shoulders down and back. Abs are tight. And I want you to drop your butt. You're rubbing the chair, okay? Down, inhale. Exhale. If you want to make it harder, you can even bend one leg, or you can lengthen your legs. Go. 10, 8. I forgot 9. 8, 7, 6. Again, listen to your shoulders. 5. Don't go too deep. 3, 2. Last one. Beautiful. And release. Rotate your shoulders. I'm going to bend over and I'm going to open my arms in T shape. So right here, shoulders down and back, abs. Let's go. Open. Inhale. Exhale. Good. So feel the squeeze here between your shoulder blades. 6, 5, 4, 3, and you know we're going to go in pulses. Are you ready? Right here, little. 8, 7, 6, I feel it. 5, 4, 3, 2, that's it, and release and rotate your shoulders. One more, and then we're done. We're just going to do a quick stretch. So do you remember this option? Nice and tall. You can even be on one leg to work your balance. Option 2, you are on the floor. Side plank. You choose to do it from your knees or your toes, and we're just going to open your arms. Are you ready? Riley, are you ready? Let's go. Inhale. Exhale, look straight ahead. I want to see a straight line from your head all the way to your knees or your feet. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Little pulses. Let's go. 45 degrees. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly release. Beautiful. Let's switch side. Same thing from your knees or your toes. When you're ready, let's go. Shoulders relaxed. Inhale, exhale. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Are you ready? Little pulses. Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly release. Good job. Let's stand up and let's stretch. I'm going to start with your triceps. 2 ways. You're going to bring your elbow here up towards the sky, press up. So I'm trying to slide my hand right here between my shoulder blades. If you don't have problem with your shoulders, you have the flexibility. Let's go under or up above. That's it. And let's switch your arms. Same thing, option 1 or option 2. And wait, just make sure you're not arching your back here. Release. Interlace your fingers behind you. Open your shoulders. Right here, try to bring your arm up. So you can tell I'm stuck. I'm so tight. We should be able to bring the arms all the way up. And then I like we can do your chest as well. And I'm going to use the wall. Good. And release. Push in front. Stretch between your shoulder blades. I'm rounding my shoulders and my upper back. I won't be here for very long. Good. And release. Chest. I like the corner. That way I do both arms at the same time. So open your arms again right here. Step forward. And you're just going to bring your knee towards the wall and feel the opening right here in your chest. So I start pretty low. So that's your chest and shoulders. And as I go a little bit higher with my arms, I'm going to target more the pectoralis minor. So shoulders always down away from your ears. So I'm going up again. Oh, I feel that. Try to feel if you feel it more on the right or the left. That's it. That was our 15-minute just workout for your shoulders. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos, please visit my website at www.abstractfitness.ca. Thank you and see you next time.